Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Leonardo AI for beginners. Using Leonardo AI for beginners is a pretty easy step, so make sure to watch the video until the end and follow through the instructions. Step 1. Sign up for Leonardo AI. First of all, open a web browser and in the URL box type in leonardo.ai and search. Doing so will take you to the official site for Leonardo AI. If you don't have an account yet, you will first need to sign up for one. Click on Create an Account button on the left-hand side of the screen. You can sign up for Leonardo AI by using Apple option, Google, Microsoft, or typing in an email. To sign up with email, click on the Sign Up option at the bottom of the screen and then enter an email address you have an access to. Now, head over to the next field and create a password for your Leonardo AI account. Your password that you create must meet these criteria displayed right beneath the password box. After creating a password, click on Sign Up. You will now need to verify your email. Click Open a new tab and log into the email service provider that you just used. Open up the email that you received from Leonardo AI for verification. Copy the verification code that is found in it. Go back to Leonardo AI website and type in the verification code or paste it in. Now click on Confirm Account. Wait for a couple of seconds and you have now successfully created a Leonardo AI account. Now pick a new username for yourself and check its validation. If the username is available, select the interest from the bottom of the screen. After you're done with your selection, confirm that you are over 18 by enabling this toggle menu. Click Next and you've just set your username as well. You can now start exploring the interface. From the left-hand side, this will show your current project and options for image generation. You will be able to see the prompt editing, canvas, and other options in this tab. To create a new image, click on the Create New Image option at the top right and in the prompt box, type in the keywords that accurately describe your desired image. Once you do that, click on Generate, which will then use certain token in order to show your results. You can also experiment with different phrasings to see how the AI interprets them. You can also go ahead and choose style, dynamics, elements as well, or even add negative prompts on your image generation to create unique images. After you've created your creation, go ahead and download it or save it on your device by clicking on the Download Image button. Simply mouse over the image and click on Download in order to download the image to your device. Step 2. Log out of Leonardo AI. If you ever want to sign out or log out of Leonardo AI from the main homepage, scroll all the way down at the bottom of the screen. On the left-hand corner, you will be able to see the Log Out option. Simply click on it in order to log out of Leonardo AI account. Step 3. Log in to Leonardo AI. If you already have an existing Leonardo AI account, you can simply log in by using your email ID and your password. But this may differ according to the process you used while creating an account for Leonardo AI. If you previously chose email option, you'll need to do the same here. Similarly, if you've chosen Apple, Google, or Microsoft option, make sure you select one of them. Here I'm gonna choose email option. Type in your email ID that is associated with your Leonardo AI account in the email tab. Now on the next field, type in your account's password. If you don't remember your password or if you want to change your password, simply click on Forgot Your Password and follow through the instructions. After filling in your credential, click Sign In and you will then be able to log in to Leonardo AI account. Step 4. Delete Leonardo AI account. If you've had enough with Leonardo AI and if you ever want to delete or get rid of your account, go to the home page and scroll all the way down and click Settings. Now, select Account Management option from the top of the screen. Choose Delete Account and this will then remove all of your information from your database and the process cannot be undone. Type in your username once again in the text box to confirm that you would like to delete your account. After the verification is complete, click delete my account, and that is how you will be able to delete or close your Leonardo AI account in just a few simple steps. So those were some of the basic steps you can follow in order to use Leonardo AI as a beginner. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.